Social media is a platform by which we get connected to people across the world, sitting at our homes using internet. Let us see whether social media is good or bad. Let us see the advantages and disadvantages of social media. Advantages. It connects people worldwide, fostering global relationships and idea sharing. However, excessive use of social media can lead to mental health issues and addiction. Social media's impact depends on its usage. It can connect and empower or mislead and harm. Thank you.
Public speaking builds our confidence. It helps us to improve our pronunciations and vocabulary. When we are speaking something, we should be calm and shouldn't get nervous. It helps us to talk freely, easily and proudly with others. To continue the life, we need to take breath. To continue the life, we need to take breath. Therefore, to continue the confidence, we need to communicate. Thank you. Benefits of public speaking. Public speaking is one of the most valuable skills that you can develop. It not only does boost our confidence, but it also opens the doors to new opportunities. So, don't be afraid to take this step. Share your voice and play your mark. The sooner you start, the sooner you will reap the rewards.
Social media good or bad? Social media has both positive and negative effects, offering benefits like connection and information sharing, but also posing risks like cyberbullying and mental health issues. It is a tool that you can use constructively or deconstructively depending on how you use it. Now, let's see the positive aspects. Connection and community, information sharing and access, business and marketing opportunities, social activism and advocacy. Now, let's see the negative aspects. The negative aspects are cyberbullying and harassment, privacy risks and mental health issues, misinformation and fake news. Thank you.
Communication is actually a very big deal, even if it sounds boring. But think about it. How else are you going to tell your best friend that how wonderful your trip was? Or how you can tell your parents that how wonderful your friends are? Communication is a very important mean in the life, but we don't realize it. Communication is used to express, expose our feelings, our gratitudes and our emotions towards our family members, relatives and friends. Take a moment to consider the invisible thread that connects us all. What are they made up of? They are made up of words, understandings and ideas. This essence is the power of communication. In just 1 minute, I want to highlight why fundamental skills are not just important but vital. Think about it. Every relationship we cherish, every project we undertake or every step we take forward as society hinges on our ability to communicate effectively. Communication is a lifeblood of any successful relationship, be it personal or professional. In conclusion, I just want to say that without proper communication, things can be lonely and confusing. When we talk and listen, we can share our deeds, share our joys, solve problems and make the world a much better place to live. So let us all make efforts to communicate clearly and kindly. Thank you.
Social media. Social media is an online tool. It is a very powerful platform. People can share things through it. It helps to connect the world. It is a good way to shun creativity. It can be born or bad. It is a great platform for the business. Excess use for social media is an harmful. Thank you.
और प्रैक्टिस करनी है आपको, है ना? स्माइल, लेग मूवमेंट, दोनों पे ध्यान दोगे, और हैंड मूवमेंट्स, राइट? ग्रेट.
What is social media? Social media has both positive and negative facts. Positive facts like formation and career building. Negative facts but also crosses risks like cyberbullying and mental health issues.
This movement, we are doing circle movement. Okay, we don't want circle movement. Cyberbullying and mental health issues. You can express those things, right? So have expressions. There is no expression. Even the smile is not there when you are sad. You will be sad because it's a bad thing, right? So you should be sad. And you want the expressions in your face.
Social media. Social media is good or bad?
Right.
Social media is good because it gives us information and helps promote business. However, it's bad because it can lead to addiction. So we should use it wisely. Thank you.
Nice. Eye contact with them. Eye contact with those people also. And you are having a glance. Don't have glance. Look into the eyes. Say at least a word and then you will leave. Okay?
About social media. Social media refers to a platform or an app that helps people to create and share information to others. Now let's see if social media good or bad.
Right.
Let's start with the positive one. It helps people to create and share information worldwide. Now let's see its negative uses. People have started to cyberbully and harass others, which is not necessary. Especially during the war, people have started to spread unwanted rumors and memes which are not needed. So in conclusion, I would like to say that if we use the media wisely, it would be better for us. Thank you.
Wow, what an interesting chapter. Come, let's see about the advantages and the disadvantages of social media. There are two types of social media, positive and negative. Come, let's start with the positive one. Social media have made the world smaller and smaller. Whatever happens in the world, we get to know in a fraction of seconds. Even in YouTube, Insta, WhatsApp, we can learn Jainism stories, origami, crafts, etc. Come, let's start with the negative one. People are cyberbullying others. In wars, they put unwanted videos which are not needed, etc. Thank you.
And you say a very powerful point. You have to add expressions. Where is your expressions? Start adding expressions. Okay?
Social media presents both its benefits and drawbacks. It allows for connection and information sharing, but it can also lead to privacy concerns, misinformation, and cyberbullying. Excessive use of social media can negatively impact on our mental health, productivity, and real life interactions.
Nice. Great. Now you have to slow down and work on expression. Great.
Social media. Social media is good or bad? Social media is good because it gives us news and information. It is bad because it gives us unwanted reels. We can use social media 5 to 10 minutes per day. More than that can make you addict from it. Thank you.
Last point. I'll say again. Social media can be used for 5 to 10 minutes per day. But more than that can make you addict. Avoid social media for a long time. Expressions can't live. You have to start expressing. Right?
Social media is a double-edged sword. It offers benefits and drawbacks. Its positive aspects are connecting to network, sharing creativity and education, and etc. It also offers negative aspects like mental health issues, cyberbullying, harassment, and etc. In conclusion, I will like to say if we use social media wisely, it will be better. Thank you.
Nice. कभी भी when we are having public speaking, there is nothing called as etc. Okay, it's and going on and so on. It is never etc. It's just to writing, but not to speaking. Okay. Improve on smile, expressions, then a great.
Social media. Social media is a double-edged sword, offering numerous benefits while also posing significant risks. I feel social media is good because it shares information, crafts, and whatever we need. Thank you.
Social media has both advantages and disadvantages. Easy communication, access to information, networking, and entertaining are some of its advantages. Thank you.
आपका हाथ यहीं पे है. You're not moving at all your mind. Have hand gestures. Okay? Smile.
Social media is of two types, good and bad. It helps to connect with others. It allows quick and global communication. Bad leads to addiction and mental health impact. Thank you.
Nice. Focus more on hand gestures. Mic. आप माइक में क्यों झुक रहे हो? इतनी आवाज़ पहुंच जाएगी लोगों को. ओके, माइक को एकदम मुंह के बाजू में नहीं लाना है. ओके, इसके लिए आप झुक रहे हो, that is not good. And don't move. Body movement बहुत ज़्यादा है, don't move. Okay.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment.